Hey guys, today I'm going to be creating this game, and this is gonna be how I made a simple, let's say, Flappy Bird game. So if you want to play it, check it out in the comments, and let's begin. So I'm gonna begin with titling this name Untitled Bird Game. So instead of a cat, we're going to make a simple bird. We need to give it an outline, and there we go. Now let's create the eyes. I'm not gonna go too detailed with this. Oh my god, Big Bird got a really long, sharp nose. So we're just going to name this costume Birdie Chirp Chirp. I just don't know why I decided to name that. Okay, so I named the sprite Birdie. So since I'm a pro scratcher, this is what I'm going to do. It's gonna be like Flappy Bird, but if the bird falls down, it has a cutscene where he either ends up falling into a tree or just getting smashed by and run over by a car. Yeah. So if I'm gonna make it fly, I'm gonna decide for the first thing. There's not gonna be a second wing because you wouldn't really be able to see it anyways. But you'll be able to see the upper one. Man. So I decided to get a tutorial, and being that I can't even do it myself, I decided to follow
Amazon,
some scratches.
home to unmissable offers. Find thousands of great daily deals on Amazon.
Here's how to make the perfect Flappy Bird game. Right click, let's put this in here, put that in there, then wait until, the way, let's do this right up. Change Y speed by -1, and if space, or whatever key you want, set Y speed to 10. And then we're going to do change Y up there, change Y by Y speed, and now.
I just did that. What the hell am I doing now? So here is the impossible Untitled Bird Game, and let me just, you can play it right now on Scratch, and it is not mobile supported, so I'll make a separate one on that. I don't even think your phone would survive this, so yep, see you guys in the next one.